Hello everyone. So from today I'm starting 30 days of AWS series where each day we will learn a new AWS service, and in today's video we are going to learn basics of cloud computing. So let's begin. So first of all, what is cloud computing? So we all have seen this kind of network diagram. In early days when internet was not popular, so physical resources like storage, computers and servers used to be connected together, and network engineers used to call it a network. By the way, the word network itself means collection of two or more devices connected together. So they used to use this network to access the data from multiple computers. And in diagram, they used to represent this network using a cloud-like structure like this. And in 90s when internet became popular, so they started using same cloud-like structure to represent the internet. So whenever they used to move any data to internet, they used to say we are moving data to cloud. So from there the word cloud became popular. So we can say the word cloud means server on the internet or any network. So when someone says that my data is on cloud, they simply means that the data is on server which is on internet or in a network. Now let's understand with an example of an online travel company. So this online travel company hosts their website on their on-premise servers in their server rooms. Now on normal days everything goes smoothly, but when holiday season comes and traffic gets increased on their website, make sure that their website is up and running all the time, they have to buy more servers. And by the way, on-premise servers are also connected with each other and forms a network. So this is called private cloud. But there are some challenges with the private cloud. First of all, whenever they need more servers, they have to wait for the delivery. And when they get the delivery, they have to manually install everything like network setup and other things. And all the servers need 24 by 7 power supply. And maintenance of these servers are very expensive because once the holiday season is off, there are unnecessary expenses for managing these extra servers. Now, suppose instead of on premise server, they hosted their website on AWS cloud. They asked AWS to provide resources as required by their website. And AWS has provided virtual servers, networks, and storage, everything on the cloud. Now, this is called public cloud because AWS provided all the resources like servers, storage, network, etc. over the internet for this online travel company's website. And this is something we called as cloud computing, delivery of IT resources over the internet. So now as travel company has hosted their website on AWS cloud, so they don't have to wait for the delivery of the servers because on AWS cloud servers can launch within minutes, and everything is automated like network setups and all other things. So they don't have to do any manual setup. And public cloud have pay as you go model, means you only have to pay for what you use. For example, if you use servers for 10 hours, you only have to pay for 10 hours. And AWS have auto scaling services, so whenever they have more traffic on their website, so the instances can automatically scale and scale down according to the traffic, and it makes sure that website is available all the time even if the traffic is more. Now there is a one more type of cloud, that is called hybrid cloud. So when a company uses on-premises server as well as public cloud like AWS, so it is called hybrid cloud. So we can use hybrid cloud model when we don't want all of our data to go public. Suppose there are some kind of data which travel company don't want to expose to the internet because that is sensitive data like payment system, their booking history, etc. So they will keep those data in their on-premise, and the website which is public, because public has to access that website, right? So they will host their website on AWS cloud. Now there are many cloud service providers, and here are some popular cloud service providers: Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google GCP, and IBM Cloud by IBM, and Oracle Cloud. Now the services provided by these cloud providers are divided into three categories which are called service models. So the first is IaaS, infrastructure as a service. So all the infrastructure related services like server, storage, networking comes under this category. And the second one is PaaS, platform as a service. So services which provide platform to develop, run and test the application comes under this category. And the last is SaaS, which is software as a service. All the ready to use softwares like Gmail, Netflix, YouTube, which we use in our day to day life, comes under this. Now, how a cloud service provider like AWS provide us cloud services? So all the cloud service providers have their own data centers where they have thousands of servers with 24 by 7 power and security. So they use virtualization technology to provide cloud services. So if you don't know what is virtualization, I have made a short video on that. Please check it out. So AWS has data centers in multiple locations, which is called a AWS region. And inside one region, it has multiple data center which are called as availability zones. For example, in India, they have their data center in Mumbai region, and inside Mumbai, they have multiple availability zones. So the reason why they have multiple availability zone is if something wrong happens to one availability zone, like outage or something, your data is still saved on another availability zone. So multiple availability zone minimizes the chances of downtime. So this was all about the basics of cloud computing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.